Morning, everybody. We're here today in Baltimore City, Maryland, getting ready to do what we call a roof recover. You see our guys in the background getting ready to load the roof up. The roof had a lot of leaks in it, and the unit owner wants to get the leaks taken care of, so we're going to be installing what we call an Elevate TPO 60 mil roofing system up there, and that'll take care of all the leaks and also make the house nice and comfortable on the second floor, because it's going to be a white roof with great reflectivity. So yeah, we'll be back in a little bit to show you all the parts and pieces and components on how everything goes together, and be right back. Okay, back again here. We're coming down the home stretch on a project that we started out on earlier this morning. As you can see, it's looking pretty good here. It's going to have a real good reflectivity, increase the comfort level on the homeowners' second floor, and add life to the AC unit. Yeah, we'll take another shot of this after we get everything off the roof. Okay, we're back here again at the end of the day. Guys have finished up the job here. This is a finished product of the roof that we started this morning. Up underneath of this is a hot asphalt roof. The decking was still in good shape, so we figured it only had one layer, so we just went on and did another layer over the top of it. This roof will carry a 20-year material warranty from the manufacturer, and we give a 10-year workmanship warranty from our company. So all the leaks belong to our company from a workmanship standpoint for the next 10 years. So yeah, it's Energy Star rated. It's also eligible for the Energy Star tax credit. So if you can use this service, please look us up, check us out, and give us a call. And thank you.